Hello, everyone, and welcome to a professional DevOps learning channel with DevOps engineer Luis. In today's video, we're going to be talking about what is a repository and how to create a repository. What is a repository? A repository is a centralized digital storage system used to manage and track changes to the source code or other project files. Repository employs version control systems like Git or SVN, allowing multiple developers to collaborate efficiently. Written codes are being stored there. Versioning of rollback, rollover, or rollback takes place, comparing different states and tracing the evolution of the project. How to create a repository. First step, you're gonna get on GitHub website using the link. Step one, you're gonna click on view organization in your dashboard. Step two, you're gonna click on repository. Step three, you're gonna create on new repository. Step four, you're gonna add a repository name. I'm just gonna name it open space. Step six, which is optional, you're going to enter a description. Step seven, you're gonna choose whether it's public or private. Step 8, you're going to create a repository. And there you have it, you have your repository created. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it down in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Luis.